To our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to connect your habits to your life goals. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to connect your habits to your life goal, all you gotta do is simply open your habits app. So once you open your habits application, you need to simply log in into it. So you must align your daily actions with your long-term vision. So habit helps you track these kinds of regular life goals. So you need to first of all define and prioritize your goal. What might be your goal? What do you want to achieve from it? So after you have done this, you need to deconstruct your goals into micro habits, like break it down, start tiny, and focus on the process. After this, you need to integrate your habit into your routine as well. So you need to use the habit to simply track your goals and simply get the progress report at the end. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.